Here's an interesting setting that you might want to consider turning off, and it's known as phone number sharing. I'll show you where to go to find this and what it does. This is a Nothing phone with Nothing OS 3, Android 15. Using the quick access, do the full swipe here, and you want to go to the settings by tapping on this option right here. Once in the main settings, you'll want to go ahead and look for this. You cannot search it, as if you type it in, it won't show up as a suggestion. So you'll have to go down until you see Google. So you're looking for Google. It's going to appear like this here for Nothing phones, which is running Android, and you will need to be signed into your Google account, which I assume you already did in order to continue using your phone. So once you see Google, go ahead and tap on it one time. And within the part that says Google Services, you'll see your email up here, which I did bring up the screen so you won't see my email. And you're going to go to where it says All Services right here, this one here. And from the All Services section, go down past all this until you reach the autofill and passwords. You're going to see phone number sharing. And as you enter here, this is where you're going to find it. At default, for most Android phones, this is going to be turned on. And what this does, it's going to, as you can see, allow Google to show a screen that lets you choose a phone number to share when a third-party app requests your phone number. So why is this important to turn off? So let's just say previously or in the past, you might have filled out an app or an application or some form online using your phone, which you had to input your number. In some cases, Google may save that as like an autofill option, in which if you just so happen to go into another app and you don't want them knowing about your phone number, sometimes without you knowing it, you might have accidentally tapped in the autofill, which your phone number is filled out, and submitted without you knowing it, and in return sharing your number without you knowing it. So to avoid this, you're going to come here and turn this off. And with this turned off, you will have to manually put in that number. The suggestion or autofill option won't be there showing your number, and you won't accidentally input it or put it in by mistake. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.